Welcome to this series of videos created for you to get the most out of our platform. IncomX Cloud Platform is the operations center of your business in the cloud, where you easily manage all your services from one place. In this video, we will show you how to get a quote with Quotation Tool in IncomX Cloud Platform. Go to the IncomX Cloud Platform portal and log in using your credentials. Complete the multi-factor authentication process to log into the platform safely. If you have questions about this process, check the information in the description of this video. Then, on the main ICP screen, select the Quotation Tool option in the top menu. Choose the New Quote option to create a new quote. On the screen below, you will see a form in which you will need to fill in the fields as we indicate below. The Open to CSP field tells us it is an opportunity that comes from the Open program. Quote name is the name assigned to the quote. Quote owner, it is the name of the user who makes the quote. External quote ID, it is the correlative assigned to the quote. In the offer valid until field, enter the quote validity deadline, and the service source field indicates the source of the service. There are two options to choose from. My Marketplace is the option you use if you have a price list. In this case, the margin is set automatically. Explore all services is the option you must select to see all available products. Again, in this case, the margin must be set manually. The next field is existing customer, indicating that the client exists in ICP. If this is not your case, this field should not be selected. In the customer field, enter your customer's company name. Under contact person, enter the name of your customer's contact person. In the email field, enter your customer's email. Employee amount is an optional field where your customer's number of employees is entered. Industry is an optional field that indicates your customer's industry type. In turnover, enter your customer's billing amount. And finally, enter the budget in the budget field. When you finish entering the information, go to the lower right corner and click on the Add Service button to start selecting the services you are going to quote. Then select the services you want to provision. You can do this by using a simple search, using the search bar, or by using the default filters. Then select the number of seats and the recurrence of the subscription, monthly for monthly recurrence or annually for annual recurrence. If you choose a Microsoft service, you will need to add the Microsoft Organization Tenant service by selecting the Add Service button. This service is free and therefore will not affect the value of the quote. Once you finish adding the services, you choose Finish Creation to close the quote. To save the quote as draft, click on the Save Draft option. Finally, you will find the detail of the quote generated, which you may export as PDF or XLXS. If you need to correct any quote term, you can click on the Modify Quote option. To view the registered quotes, go to the My Quotes on the sub-menu. Here you will find listed quotes. To view the detail of a quote, click on the corresponding line. Do not forget to check in our channel other videos that we have created so that you can find answers to doubts about the most common processes that you can perform in our platform, ICP. IncomX Cloud, your ally in the cloud.